Hoi allemaal, welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Ik heet Cyrus. Het is een nieuw vandaag. It has been 5, 6, 7, 8, 5-ish months since I last recorded anything. I tried to record twice, but the videos were like 40 minutes long. I was rambling because when taking a break and then coming back, it just takes some time to get used to talking to myself. Because I did do Mario, tried to do Mario twice, the nature palette. Played with it. So far, I do love it. But I figured getting back into this, getting back into the routine of things, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and play. Not do anything very palette focused. I just want to start going through some things. And with that being said, I actually want to play with this. I don't know if anybody remembers this. The Ignited eyeshadow palette by NARS. I do, oh, look at that. This is looking a lot darker on camera than in person. Look at all of that, all the goodies. I do want to play with this. I have not even played with that palette yet. I don't even think I think I swatched it a couple of times and that was about it. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my eyes. Still using the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. I think I might play with some, I don't know. First and foremost, I need to downsize my kit. I know I've been saying that for the past year, 2 years, 3 years, however long. Last time I said it, I think when I was living in Goes, I said I need to downsize. Still trying to downsize. Oh, finally got Fenty Beauty at Douglas here in the Netherlands, and also Rare Beauty, and About Face also. So there's a lot of brands coming into the Netherlands, which I'm really excited about. That means I don't need to go to the US or stuff at, well, Patrick Ta. Oh, and Marc Jacobs is apparently coming back. Should I play with Marc Jacobs today? No, we're gonna play. Let me prep my eyes and we will get into this tutorial. All right, so eyes are prepped with the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. I really don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go with, but I wanna do something. So I'm gonna go in first with, what is this called? Hammamet 1. The lightest shade we have in here. Going in with a fluffy brush. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that into the crease. Ooh. You know what? Now that I'm looking at these mattes, this already reminds me of 3 shades from Urban Decay that I already have. 2026. It is now April 28th. I honestly don't know when this is going to go up, but it is good to be back. It has been a very long break, much needed. Took a break from social media as well, and being back on social media, there's a lot that has happened in the beauty community. Marc Jacobs coming back in June actually. They're coming back, dropping the brand. This is actually a very nice whisper of a color. But I'm gonna go ahead and build it up to the intensity that I want, and we will continue after this. Ooh, this is nice. First and foremost, let me go get the other eyeshadow palette that I'm thinking of. So, I was thinking of the Basquiat from Urban Decay, but look at this. Look at this. I mean, I always do this to myself. Kind of, not really, but you get the general idea. I haven't even played with this yet either. All right, moving on. That is a very beautiful color. It's very warm because on here it looks beige, but it comes out very warm and tan. I'm so over these warm colors. Next, I think I want to do, let's do the Point Noir. This one in the corner. Let's do this one in the corner. I honestly don't remember what the swatches of these even look like, but for the most part, let us go ahead and just smoke it out. Oh, that is the beauty about hooded eyelids. You could have so many smoky moments. Zoville smoky moments. Oh, that is a beautiful color actually. Because I know a lot of people had issues with this palette when it came. I don't remember why. Everybody has had an opinion. NARS is still one of those brands that I love, that they've been true to the core since they first started. Francois NARS is also a phenomenal makeup artist and photographer. So it's one of those brands that I could always trust-ish. Trust-ish. All right. Look at that already. Ooh. Ooh, child. Just gonna smoke it out. Smoke, smoke. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I need... Where's my hanging on by a prayer brush? Going back in and just smoking that into the crease. Ooh. This plum noir is definitely a good moment. It's just one of those colors I feel, ooh. God, 5 months. Okay, it's been very long, but you get the gist of this. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. NARS. Going in with a liner brush just to emphasize the lash line a little bit more. Perfect. Nothing too dramatic or deep. All right. Now I'm thinking for the inner corner, I don't know if I want to do this one. Ooh, what is this one? Ignition. Yep, we're doing ignition. Oh my word. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, that is gorgeous. This is a beautiful palette. And this is, I think the specs in the Point Noir are actually like the specs of this. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of that cranberry color from Marc Jacobs. Look at that. Oh my God. Going back with the fluffy brush and just blending that over. Because we can. This is definitely, gosh, what was this? 2001? 2020? All right, this is holy matrimony, y'all. And then I think for the crease color, we're going with that gold. Maybe. All right, just blending it in, just bringing that over to add a definition to the crease. Oh, look at that smokiness. I'm really digging this. And it's just nice to play with everything I have. All right. Now for the brow bone, we need to have a moment. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. For the brow bone, going in with the, what is this one? Atomic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is a moment. Most definitely. You know, this isn't too bad after quite a few months of doing nothing. Oof. 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 I'm digging this. This is definitely a moment. I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face and then we'll be back at the end. Because I was gonna record the whole process of my face, but maybe next video. Like I said, we're just getting back into it. We're playing. We're coming alive again, but oh my God. NARS Ignited palette, I would still say it holds true to this current time, but let me go and do the rest of my face. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do NARS light reflecting foundation, but we shall see. See you guys in and we are back. I mean, first time playing in months, and I still got it. Every now and then it's just good to take a little break. But I went ahead and finished with the NARS Intimate Soft Matte Tinted Lip Balm in Intimate. Keeping it very natural for the lips because I want the focus to be on the eyes. But look at this. That is skin. 38 years old. That is a mature skin. That's for sure. Look at this. Bam. Gone. No, not really. But here we are. Welcome back. Just the first video to play with some things, just to get back into the groove of it. I am loving this blush. This blush is benefit. Who remembers this? What do we have in here? We have California, Tickle, Hula, Dandelion, and Dallas. Oh, don't mind the tickle. But the blush I have on is a California. This is such, I think, I completely forgot about this blush, but it's just such a beautiful hint of that peach and that rouge. I do think this is definitely a great spring summer blush. Look at that, California. Love it. Primer is still the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. Under eye corrector is the NARS Light Reflected Eye Brightener and Impossible Dream. Concealer, I actually went back to the, what is it? Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in 8.5 Medium. I think I'm going to throw those away because I want to make room for Patrick Ta Concealer and Hourglass are the two concealers I've been heavily interested in. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, I love. I got a few of those travel size to just kind of get an idea of what it feels like, because my go-to concealer for a lot of my photography is Urban Decay's Naked Skin, but obviously they don't have that anymore. So, foundation. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS and Valencia. This is more of the medium to full coverage, but I do love the fact that my skin still peeps through. They are not coming for me. Bronzer is actually Laguna number 4. I have the travel size, mini size to try it out. Highlighter, I completely forgot that I had, was it the Skin Fetish Divine Glow Highlighter in Golden Nectar from Pat McGrath. This brand has been going through a lot towards the end of last year and now what I'm seeing the beginning of this year. But Golden Nectar and Venus Nectar, one is a little bit more beige-ish and the other one's more gold, yellow. So that's what I have on. Brows are still Benefits, and a setting spray is actually, where is it? Makeup by Mario Surreal Soft Setting Spray is what I have on. Love this. It's good to be back. It's been a very long time coming. I do miss this. I just heavily needed a break just to get it myself together, focus on work for a little bit, and getting back into the groove. So, Ignited palette by NARS. I do have like their, what do you call it? This is actually, I really do love this palette. Look at, I mean, the drama, I do love. That time of the year, y'all. Yeah. It's so weird like talking again like this, but we are back. I think, I don't know if I want to take pictures because that's like another 45 minutes worth of doing stuff. Oh. No, I will. I need to get back into the groove of things. But of course, the rest of the year, I think I will just continue to play. I really don't want to focus on palette. Well, I take that back. I do want to focus on more palettes just to see how many looks I could create from that. But for the majority of the year, we are just going to play with everything that I have. Start making looks, start getting back into the passion, the drive, the fashion, Marc Jacobs is coming back. Quite excited about that. But yeah, and I completely forgot I have the Yves Saint Laurent Sequence Crush. This with Gigabyte. Now we're talking. See, I just want to play. I just want to play with stuff. But good to be back. Let us grab more creativity. Let us, oh, mascara. Climax by NARS. Still going through with that one. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.